Here's how to set up Face ID on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Face ID lets you unlock your iPhone, use Apple Pay, and sign in to apps using just your face. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode to continue. Tap Setup, Face ID to begin. Hold your iPhone about arm's length away. Position your face inside the frame and slowly move your head in a circle. Follow the on-screen instructions for the second scan. Once complete, Face ID setup is finished. Make sure Face ID is enabled for iPhone Unlock, App Store, Apple Pay, and other supported apps. If Face ID doesn't set up, clean the front camera, remove hats or glasses, and make sure you're in good lighting. You can add an alternate appearance if you wear glasses or change your look often. And that's it. That's how you set up Face ID on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.